Hi, my name is Dasibu Praise Precious, a cosmetology student here at tafcollege. Okay, so the freelancers course so far has been insightful. I've learned a lot, but I want to talk about personal branding among other courses like emotional intelligence, AI, customer service, leadership. I want to talk about personal branding. The lecturer started off by saying one should define your niche. Define your niche. What is your expertise? What is you shouldn't be jack of all trade, master of none. You should have an expertise, something you specialized, something you can do very well. And he also said something that struck me. He was like, your brand should talk even before you introduce yourself. How do you portray yourself? We say we don't judge a book by the cover, but you don't expect to see an Akiola integrated science and then opening it, you realize it's a notepad. The cover tells a lot. So how you brand yourself speaks so much even before you introduce yourself. And he also said recommendations. Oh, I know this guy, he's very good, he can do this work. Connecting, it saves you time, whereby you'd have to go and prove yourself, interviews and a whole lot. But your personal branding recommends you even before you know it. Yes. And he also spoke about networking. Surround yourself with resourceful people who actually add value to your course. And yeah. Based on the idea or based on the knowledge I acquired from personal branding class, I'm a cosmetology student, right? So I had to download TikTok, create an account, start pushing my ideas, start gathering the audience online. So yeah. And also I've become more intentional about the way I portray myself. My dressing. I don't just look for the combination, but I want what I am wearing to actually tally with where I am going. That's also one part of the branding. And then, as you can see my hair, I'm being intentional about my looks. So yeah, so about the networking, I've become more intentional about the people I partner with. I just don't make friends, but I'm making friends who will actually help promote my values. Friends that will help me get to the next level of my career. And I remember the lecturer also saying something about creating websites, your portfolio. So apparently on LinkedIn, I'm trying to be more intentional about my profile. I'm trying to post things, get interactive with people who can actually help me advance to the next stage of my life. I would like to especially thank the Pishon group for giving me this opportunity by sponsoring my education here at tafcollege. God bless you. I'm so grateful.